Hello everyone, welcome to Codechef Starter 217 problem 3, add 1 or 3. We will understand this problem. Uh, we are given integer x which initial value is 0, and the question says we are given n turns, and in each turn we can either add 1 to this x or 3 to this x. That means if x initially when x is 0, we can add plus 1 to it or plus 3 to it, making it either 1 or 3, and so on. And we can do this n times. And the another point given is we are given an integer m and we need to print whether it is possible to reach m or not from x after n moves, exactly n moves. We are not allowed to skip any move. Let's understand this with one simple example. That is, let's say if n is given as 4 and m is given as 10, basically saying that in 4 moves can you reach 10 or not. In exactly 4 moves, not more than 4, not less than 4. In first move, let's say I have from initially the x value will be 0. From 0 I have gone to 3. In another move I have gone to 6. In another move I have gone to 9. Basically saying plus 3 and plus 3. I am done with 3 moves. One move, this is the first move, this is the first move, this is the second move, and this is the third move. In the next move, if I add plus 1 to it, then I will directly reach 10, making this 4 moves. Okay, but in the same n is equal to 4 moves and m, let's say we are given as 11. That means saying that in 4 moves check you are able to reach 11 or not. From x is equal to 0, I will go to 3. From 3 to 6. From 6 to I will go to 9. I am done with 3 moves already. Plus 1, and plus 1. Already 3 moves are done. In the next move, I can add either plus 3 or plus 1. If I add plus 3, then I will reach 12, which I don't want. If I add plus 1, then I will reach 10, but I am not able to reach 11. So in this case, answer will be no. Okay, so let's try to build some intuition from this. Let's say you are given number of moves as n, right? In one move you can either add plus 1 or plus 3 to your x. That means let's take capital X, saying that number of moves, that is plus 3 moves, number of plus 3 moves, and y saying that number of plus 1 moves. And finally x plus y should be equal to n. That means saying that if you are given 10 moves, if you have chosen 5 moves of 3, then obviously the remaining 5 moves will be of 1, right? This is the number of moves. For the value we are also given, we need to reach m in exactly these number of moves, right? So in x moves plus y moves should be I am able to reach m. But there is one point, this is number of moves, but m is value, not number of moves. If in one move, if x is given as 1, that means in one move x is given as 1 means I have done 3 steps. I have gone plus 3. X is given as 2 means I have gone 6 steps, which makes this 3x and 1 into y, obviously. So let's understand this. Let's expand this equation a bit. 3x plus, from this term I can get y is equal to n minus x, right? Plus n minus x equal to m. That means if I simplify this equation, I will get n plus 2x equal to m. We already know the value of n, we already know the value of m. So let's try to figure out the value of x. 2x will be equal to m minus n, and x value will be equal to m minus n divided by 2. Okay, let's take some examples and try to figure out what we will get from this observation. If x equal to 5, sorry, not x, it is n, the value of n is equal to 5 and m is equal to 5. Can we reach 5 in 5 moves? Yes, just by adding plus 1 to it, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and so on to 5. Let's say if n is given as 6, in 6 moves can we reach 5? The answer is no, basically because we will get either, if we even add plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, we will end up reaching 6, not 5. So the answer will be no. So then conditions, the first condition that I will check is n should be less than or equal to m. In this case, then I can say answer is yes. What could be the other cases? Let's see from this observation that we have made. Let's say n as 4 and m as 8. In 4 moves, can I reach 8? We are saying. If I substitute in this, I will get 8 minus 4 by 2, which is 4 by 2, which is 2. That means made 2 moves of plus 3. 2 moves of plus 3 will give me 6. We are done with 2 moves. And we are left with only 2 moves. In next 2 moves, I will add plus 1 and I will add plus 1 and I will be able to reach 8. In this case, we are getting answer as yes. But if n value is 4 and m value is 9, then we will get 9 minus 4 by 2, which is 5 by 2, which is 2.5. That means saying made 3 moves of 2.5, but we are not allowed to do this. We are only allowed to do integer moves, not any decimal moves. So the answer will be no. Even if you check in 4 moves can you reach 9, you will maximum reach either 8 or exceeding 8 you will reach, right? So the second condition will be m minus n by 2 should be even. Then I can say answer as yes. Let's take one example where n is 2 and m is 8 and apply these two conditions in it. 2 is less than or equal to 8. First condition is satisfied. 8 minus 2 by 2, which will give me 6 by 2, which will give me 3. Basically saying that this should be even means modulo 2 equal to 0, not divided by 2, sorry. So modulo 2 will give me 0. If it is giving me 0, then it is obviously even. Then second condition is also satisfied. But are we really able to reach it in 2 moves? In maximum I can reach from 0, I will go to 3, from 3 I will go to 6. Only I am able to reach 6 but not 8. So one more cut check that we need to do is, we will take the maximum value, that is 3 times n, saying that we have done all moves 3 only. But still, if it is greater than or equal to m, then we can say answer is yes. Saying that we have exceeded or exactly reached that point. If we have exceeded, we will take out some moves of 3 and we will replace it with some moves of x. So this is the 3 steps that we need to do. So if I write the pseudocode, it will be if n should be less than or equal to m and m minus n modulo 2 should be equal to 0 and 3 times n value should be greater than or equal to m. Then this case I can say directly print yes, else I will print no. Take care in finding this 3 into n, because we are given n value as 10 power 9. If we are coding in Java or some other language, integer value will go maximum up to 2 into 10 power 9. So 3 into 10 power 9 will give you uh, in the out of bounds, integer out of bounds. So make sure you write like 3l or take this as long value just for safety. Thank you.